Hi everybody, welcome to lesson 1, in which we will start by the first 5 letters in the Coptic alphabet. The first letter is alpha, alpha, and is pronounced just like the letter A in English. The second one is Vita, Vita, and this one is pronounced as V or B, generally as V, but when it's the last letter in the word, it's pronounced as B. Let's take examples. Our first example is very simple. Alpha, Vita, Vita, Alpha, Ava, Ava, which means Abba. And this is the title that precedes the name of a bishop or a pope or a saint and so on. Second example is the word very. Vita, A, Rho, Iota. There are some new letters which will come later on. Vita, A, Rho, Iota. This is pronounced very, very. This is an adjective, means new. Third example starts with a Rho, Alpha, Nei. Ran, Ran means name. Fourth example, Oweeb, Omicron, Epsilon, Eta, Vita, and the Vita here is the last letter in the word, so we say Oweeb, means priest. The third letter is Gamma, Gamma, and this letter is pronounced in 3 different ways. It's pronounced as G or Re or NG if it is repeated, Gamma, in the word. Let's take examples. Our first example here is Alpha, Gamma, Alpha, P, Iota. Agapi, Agapi means love. Agapi. Our second example, Alpha, Gamma, Gamma, A, Lola, Omicron, Sima. Here repeated Gamma is pronounced as N followed by a G. So we say Angelos, Angelos, a very known word, means angel. Angelos. The third example, Gamma, Rho, Alpha, Phi, Iota. Graphi, Graphi means writing. Graphi. Our fourth letter here is Delta, Delta. And this letter is pronounced as a D in the names of people and pronounced as the in all other words. First example is David, David. Delta, Alpha, Epsilon, Iota, Delta. David, which means David, which is a person's name. Second example, Delta, Omega, Rho, Omicron, Nei. Zuron, Zuron means gift. Zuron. Fifth letter here is A. A. This is exactly like the letter E in English. Our first example here, we've said it before, very, very, and it shows how we pronounce A. Very. Second example is A, Nei, Kappa, Omicron, Taf. They are all new letters, but it's very simple. Enkot, Enkot. This is a verb, means sleep. Enkot. Let's review the 5 letters we've taken today. Alpha, Vita, Gamma, Delta, A. Alpha, Vita, Gamma, Delta, A. Let's review the words, the examples we've taken. Ava, Ava means Abba. Very, very means new. Ran, Ran means name. Oweeb, Oweeb means priest. Agapi, Agapi means love. Angelos, Angelos means angel. Graphi, Graphi means writing. David, David means David. Zuron, Zuron means gift. Enkot means sleep. Goodbye for now, and until